Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I come with a new amazing video. In this video I'm going to talk to you about a new TRX mining website. This website is very special and I give you a complete review about this website. Please watch the video complete so I can explain all the basic information about this website. Let's start the video. Before starting, I request my all viewers and subscribers, please like this video and also subscribe my channel. Now I open the Chrome, in which I already opened the registration page of this website. trxapp.com is the domain of this website. Here you see that the mobile phone number, login password, security password, and this is the invitation code. Please do not try to change it. In the down friends, you can see that attach option. You need to attach this app captcha in this form. I fill all information to enter into this website. Here you can see that friends, the password is stored in a decentralized way and cannot be retrieved after it is lost. Let's I make account on it and enter into the website. After entering into the website, I will explain you other information about this website. Friends, you can see that I fill my all information such as the invitation code, security password, login password, my mobile phone number. After putting all information, I need to click only as sign up. After the sign up, you can see that I enter into the website. You can see that the best investment project I describe you after that at the end video. Here you can see that it is looking very small, therefore I cannot read it. Here friends, you can see that you can check my total balance of this website is that 8,000 TRX, which is a very more amount, a very high amount of this website. You can withdraw it. How you can withdraw it, I will give you a complete review. Please watch this video. Let's start the video. Before starting, I want to describe you this portion first. You can see that trxpp.com is the domain of this website. You can see that here these are the three icons of this website. First icon is change of language. Here you can change your website language into many different languages such as Portuguese, Indonesian, Dutch, Arabic, Turkish, Spanish, Italian. And this is the notification option. I click on a notification option to describe you the notification option of this website. Here you can see that this website icon is looking well. You can see that the best tier investment project in 2022 official customer subsidies that you can check here. Please click the link to contact the official staff, the only official staff, www.trxpp.com. White paper of this website is that there are three revenue models of our project: one, promotional income, mining income, regular investments. And promotional income, you do not need to invest any money. Non-main business entrepreneur to register an account to get these rewards. And friends, in the down you can see that this website provides you a third level deposit, and you can check here. In the down you go back. In the down you can check this to deposit 5 to 5,000 TRX, 6.5%, 5% total withdraw, and you can see that 6%, 7%, 8%, 10%. You can check there. These are the all information about this website. You can need to check all this information. In the down you can see that invest regularly. You can choose the investment period and amount that suits you. Different periods and amounts yield different return. The cycle is 1 day. The rate of return is 1%, and the minimum investment amount is 5 TRX. The cycle is 7 days. The rate of return is 3.8%, and the investment minimum at the minimum investment is 1,000 TRX. You can check here. These are the all information. Now I go back here. After going back here, you can see that many types of icons, but first I click on share option. This portion is very necessary, in which you can earn more and more profit by clicking copy link. After copying the link, you need to share with your friends, and your friends invest in this website. You can get automatically the registration rewards. Now I go back home. You can see that I click on a team option. This is the team option. You can check this how much you have team in level 1, level 2, and level 3. You can see that I have no team in this website because I joined this website and I make a huge team in this website for the passive income source. And friends, in the down you can see that this is the app option. You can download the app of this website. This is the logout option. You can log out from this website. And friends, in the down you can see that a wallet account and the promotion account, these are the two types of wallets joined to be a Tron Millionaire. Use cloud mining and DeFi technology to ensure that all the user get the most TX revenue. And friends, in the down you can see that these are the platform data display that are the accumulated profit of this website, that are the membership of this website. This website has a huge partnerships and accumulated profits and memberships. About us, we are at our best. Cloud mining offered a potentially cost-effective way of mining TRX. And friends, in the down you can see that these are the global partner of this website, such as WazirX, CoinDCX, Genius Mining, Bitman, Binance, CoinMint. Now friends, I go back here and I say you all information. And friends, now I click on a trading option to show you the trading percentage of this website. This website provides you a 0% trading because it settled after a few minutes, and it can be updated about slow internet because of slow internet. Now you can see that I refresh it, you can see that it can be changed after some time. Now I click on invest option. Here you can see that there are many types of packages such as TRX daily rate 1 day, 15 days, 60 day, 130 day. You can check this package. Now click on a share option. This portion I already described you. This is a very profitable profit. You need to copy link and share with your friends, and your friends invest in this website. You can get the TRX revenue. Now friends, I click on a mine option. After clicking the mine option, you can see that these are the total balance, deposit option, recharge with records such as withdrawal records. Now you can see that here you can see that here the investment account, TRX, the funded account, recharge any number of TRX, activate the account and open the withdrawal functions. For the deposit friends, you need to select this portion such as I can show here. You need to click on a deposit for the depositing of amount in this website. Such as friends, I click on a deposit option. Here you can see that investment is divided into two modes: recharge to the basic account and receive income according to Sri Lanka time zone every day. Recharge into the promotion account, you can receive income according to different cycle, return the principal amount and upon maturity. Before investing, please choose a basic account or a promotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged successfully. Now friends, I click on this investment amount. You can see that I click on an investment account such a basic account. I need to copy this address. After copying the address, I need to send him the TRX. You can note this. Please do not charge the not address. It will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after recharging. If Spain and class, if it has not arrived for a long time, please refresh this page. Minimum 5 TRX investment. Now friends, I go back to the investment to show you how to invest in this website by investing a 30 TRX. Friends, you can see that I open my transfer. After opening, I paste my address. After pasting my address, I need to send him a 30 TRX. To show you how to invest in this website, I click on a confirm. After clicking the confirm option, you can see that I click on a transfer option. Here you can see that my transaction are in a pending. Now I wait for the complete sending of my amount to the company. You can see that friends, I refresh one time. Here you can see that after refreshing one time, it sends successfully to the company. Now friends, I go back to the company. I need to click on a recharge completed. After the clicking of recharge completed, now I wait for a few minutes, so my transaction is successfully received in my account. Here you can see that first I refresh here, so my transaction successfully deposited in my account. And if it not deposited, I wait for a few 10 minutes, such as 5 to 10 minutes, so my transaction successfully added in my account. Now friends, you can see that my transaction successfully received in my account. Now I need to show you how to take a withdrawal from this website. For the withdrawal option, you need to click on a record, charge record. You can see that your daily withdrawal limit is 1.4970 TRX. You need to put your daily amount here, address, and enter your password. First I put my password and my account here, such as I put my amount 1.4 TRX. After putting it, I need to change this with my account address. You can see that friends, my address is that I copied already. Now I click on a confirm. After clicking the confirm, I need to show you how my amount taking time to receive in my account. Now I wait for the withdrawal of my amount, and you can see that I go back to my trust wallet to show you my amount received or not. Here you can see that friends, I have received a 1.4 TRX by the website. You can check here, and you can also get the huge profit by using this website. So you can, I provide you a link in the description. You can check out this. I hope friends you like this video. Subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.